Hi, I'm Jeff Hallet. I'm the Director of Global Process Engineering at Elekta Incorporated in Sunnyvale, California. One of the biggest problems we faced was being in a regulated environment. We had to be able to maintain compliance and regulatory requirements as we developed our products. So the biggest problem we had was figuring out how to strike the right balance between maintaining compliance integrity in all of our design processes. Blueprint brought a lot of value to us, as we tried to do this, because our previous methods were very document-based, which made it very difficult to work with requirements at a fine enough granularity so that we could still be agile. Blueprint gave us the ability to create models of our requirements that we could then choose bits and pieces to support the feature development that we did during the PIs and maintain compliance integrity with the requirements in a smaller packaging. Blueprint's been a great collaborating partner for us because, the team's just very responsive, very knowledgeable. We did have some very early needs in terms of electronic signature, reporting, and things like that. The Blueprint team, worked very closely with us, very eagerly with us, to get those features in there. And they were very keen to help make us successful, and we think they've gained a lot of value from those features for their other customers as well.